Hello everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Vista, your favorite channel for interesting facts and information from around the world. I'm your friend Priya, and today in this video we are diving into some most important general knowledge question and answer for competitive exams and government job interview. But before we start, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with our Knowledge Vista journey. Now, let's start this video. Question number 1. Which animal can swim but cannot breathe underwater? Your option is A. Fish, B. Dolphin, C. Hippopotamus, D. Penguin. Correct answer is option B. Dolphin. Question number 2. Which animal is known for its long neck? Your option is A. Zebra, B. Rhino, C. Giraffe, D. Elephant. Correct answer is option C. Giraffe. Question number 3. Which animal can run the fastest on land? Your option is A. Lion, B. Leopard, C. Cheetah, D. Zebra. Correct answer is option C. Cheetah. Question number 4. What is the largest animal in the world? Your option is A. Elephant, B. Blue whale, C. Giraffe, D. Crocodile. Correct answer is option B. Blue whale. Question number 5. Which animal gives us milk? Your option is A. Goat, B. Horse, C. Cow, D. Sheep. Correct answer is option C. Cow. Question number 6. Which animal has a long trunk? Your option is A. Giraffe, B. Tiger, C. Elephant, D. Rhinoceros. Correct answer is option C. Elephant. Question number 7. Which animal can climb trees? Your option is A. Tiger, B. Lion, C. Giraffe, D. Monkey. Correct answer is option D. Monkey. Question number 8. Which animal can change its color according to its surroundings? Your option is A. Chameleon, B. Lion, C. Tiger, D. Cheetah. Correct answer is option A. Chameleon. Question number 9. Which animal is known for its black and white stripes? Your option is A. Zebra, B. Horse, C. Lion, D. Elephant. Correct answer is option A. Zebra. Question number 10. What is the name of the domesticated animal used for transportation and farm work? Your option is A. Dog, B. Cat, C. Horse, D. Rabbit. Correct answer is option C. Horse. Question number 11. Which bird can fly but cannot sing? Your option is A. Peacock, B. Ostrich, C. Penguin, D. Sparrow. Correct answer is option C. Penguin. Question number 12. Which is the largest bird in the world? Your option is A. Emu, B. Ostrich, C. Peacock, D. Eagle. Correct answer is option B. Ostrich. Question number 13. What is the name of the animal which hops? Your option is A. Kangaroo, B. Lion, C. Elephant, D. Giraffe. Correct answer is option A. Kangaroo. Question number 14. Which animal is known for its thick fur in snowy areas? Your option is A. Penguin, B. Polar bear, C. Zebra, D. Giraffe. Correct answer is option B. Polar bear. Question number 15. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Your option is A. Tiger, B. Lion, C. Cheetah, D. Leopard. Correct answer is option B. Lion. Question number 16. Which animal is known for its sharp claws and teeth? Your option is A. Lion, B. Sloth, C. Elephant, D. Polar bear. Correct answer is option A. Lion. Question number 17. What is the fastest marine animal? Your option is A. Octopus, B. Shark, C. Dolphin, D. Whale. Correct answer is option C. Dolphin. Question number 18. Which animal is known for its beautiful feathers? Your option is A. Peacock, B. Ostrich, C. Pigeon, D. Sparrow. Correct answer is option A. Peacock. Question number 19. What do we call a young cow? Your option is A. Calf, B. Kid, C. Foal, D. Lamb. Correct answer is option A. Calf. Question number 20. Which animal is known for its bushy tail? Your option is A. Lion, B. Zebra, C. Elephant, D. Squirrel. Write the correct answer in the comment box. Thank you for joining us on this knowledge-packed journey. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on fascinating facts, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more enlightening content. Your support fuels our passion for sharing knowledge. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of wisdom with us. See you in the next video. Thanks till then.